Hello, and welcome back to the Burdu ID channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a reseller registration form on your Burdu website. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the Burdu channel for more tutorials like this. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Before creating the registration form, make sure you've already set up your reseller group. From the Burdu website dashboard, go to Customers, then Reseller. Click Add New Reseller. Enter the name of your reseller group. For example, Official Distributors. Click Save. If you'd like to learn more about reseller groups, you can check out the detailed tutorial linked in the description below. Now that we have the reseller group ready, let's move on to creating the registration form itself. From your Burdu website dashboard, go to Reports, then Data Form. Click Create New Data Form. Give the form a name. For example, Reseller Registration. Next, go to the Activity tab. Under Activity tab, choose Reseller Registration, and then select the reseller group you just created earlier. Keep in mind, after you publish this form, only logged-in customers will be able to access and fill it out. Once that's done, click Save. Now let's add the form to your website page. Open a new tab. Go back to your Burdu website dashboard. Go to Layout, then Custom Pages. You can either create a new page or edit an existing one. In this example, I'll edit an existing page that I've already set up. The page title and URL path have already been customized, but there's still no content section yet. Since we only want this page to be accessible by logged-in customers, we'll set a visibility restriction first. Click Add Section, then search for Limit Customer Access section. Set it to Allow Access for Logged-in Users Only. Click Done. Next, click Add Section again, and this time choose the Collect Data form. You can customize this form freely based on the data you want to collect. If you're not familiar with data collection forms, check out our full tutorial video, linked in the description below. Let's make a few quick adjustments here. Delete any unnecessary input fields and add new ones like full name, email, phone number, and maybe bank name and account number, depending on what information you need from your resellers. And don't forget to edit the default button text and the submission message as well. These inputs are completely flexible. You can decide which data is important for your business. All information submitted through this form can still be viewed and edited later in the customer's menu. Now, this next step is very important, so don't skip it. On the button settings, set the action to Submit to Insert to Burdu Data Form and select the reseller registration form that you created earlier. Click Done, then Save. Now let's test it. Go back to your Burdu website dashboard and open the Customers menu. Here you can see a list of customers who can log into your website. Let's say one of them. For example, James Smith wants to register as a reseller. If we open James Smith's customer details, we'll see that he's not yet part of any reseller group. Now let's simulate what happens from James's perspective. Assume that James has logged into your website and fills out the reseller registration form with his details. He clicks Submit, and the data has been successfully sent. Now let's go back to the admin view, refresh the page, and check James Smith's customer record again. Perfect! You can now see all the information he entered, and he's automatically been added to the Official Distributors reseller group. You can still edit his data manually if needed. Please note that reseller group management and data updates can currently only be done from the website owner's admin dashboard. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more tutorials. Also, make sure to follow our social media accounts for more tips and updates. See you in the next video.